This is Durga Sircar, your verbal mentor from IMS International, and welcome back to our vocabulary series. Up till now, you must have noticed that we were making a series on word of the day, wherein we were learning the meaning of a new word every day for your GRE preparation. Now, we have made a small change to this series so that you can learn more words in a week. So, now we are going to come up with word or family of the week, wherein we are going to learn about one word and many synonyms of that particular word. We are also going to learn about antonyms, that is words that mean opposite to that particular word. And in that way, you will be learning about 15 to 20 new words in one particular week, because we have to speed up your GRE preparation. So let's start with today's word. Today's word is angry. Now what do we mean by angry? Being angry at someone means that we have a strong feeling against that person because that person has hurt us badly and we want to shout at them or we want to harm them. Angry is a very simple word. Now let's have a look at some of the synonyms or some of the words that you might encounter in your GRE preparation which also mean angry. So words like annoyed, crossed, vexed, irked, piked, provoked, displeased, and words like enraged, glower, incensed, infuriated, livid, rabid, seethe, smolder, wrath. These are some of the words which actually mean that somebody is very angry or excessively angry. So the first list means angry. The second list is actually words which mean very angry. Now let's have a look at some of the antonyms. So what would be an opposite of angry? The opposite of angry would be that I am very calm. So what can be other words that mean calm? Aplomb, composure, equanimity, impassive, imperturbable, nonchalant, phlegmatic. Then we have placid, serene, staid, stolid, tranquil and unruffled. These are such words which mean calm or composed. So now whenever you will have a look at any of these words, it will strike you that you had heard them in the video about angry. So it will automatically strike you that it is one of the word which is either meaning angry or it is the opposite of angry, and I am very sure you would remember with adequate practice. So that's our family of this week, angry.